Same number of spatula. Same number of spatula. Okay, good job. So the answer is, for now, we don't have any balance. So you cannot measure the mass of the salt. Okay? So I want you guys to just take one spatula. One spatula each of the experiments. For example, experiment 1, temperature of the solvent. You take one spatula of salt. Okay? Salt, which salt you need to use? Is it a fine salt or the huge one? Fine. Okay, you use the fine salt. Fine salt. One spatula. Good job. Right now, it's mean one batch should take 2 beakers. 2 beakers. So we're going to start with the experiments we got used once already. Which experiment? A, B, C. Which one? B and C. Okay. So let's start with experiment C first. The size of solid. The size of solid here. What is actually the substance they used in the beaker? Sugar. So sugar right now they don't have the fine sugar. So we need to replace it with the salt. Salt, we have it here at the board. Kita tunggu pakai salt. Is it okay? Yes. This one, yang I write lead ni, ini kita panggil sebagai sugar cube. The bigger size. Ini size yang besar. So this one is actually fine salt. Yang satu kecil. Okay. So we use this one. We put how much is it? You need? Is it small or medium? The amount is little to much? Banyak sikit. Benda tak ada cakap satu spatula. One spatula. Okay? One spatula dapat banyak ni. Sikit ke? So letak one spatula and then you try to dissolve and apa yang dia nak kat sini? Try to see the procedure number 3. The mean in which figure the sugar dissolved faster. So you have to record the time. The observations. Okay? Which one is dissolved first? Which one you can see the salt disappear first. Okay? And then next, we go, after you finish that, you can continue with the rates of stirring. So the rates of stirring, which one do you want to use? This one or this one? Fine. Okay, use this one. Fine. One spatula, the one you have 2 students here, kan? Dalam one bench, one group, you have 4 to 3 students. So one with the stir very fast, and lagi satu stir slower. So another person, the third person, will observe the change. They observe either the salt disappear, dissolve or not. Okay? dissolve faster. Okay, your friend says that the solvents that have higher temperature will dissolve the solid faster. Is it correct? Yes. Right? Yes. Okay, that one, the hypothesis is accepted or not? Yes. Okay, let's continue with the second punya factor. What is the second factor? Rates of stirring. Okay, rates of stirring. I think Danish can share his observations from the experiment. What is actually the observations?
So the question is, if you stay fast and if you stay fast,
If you stay far.
then slowly it will dissolve.
Okay, it's me right now. The faster you stir, the faster the rate of stirring ataupun the solid dissolve